Well, ladies and gentlemen, the Royal Hawaiian Band is getting set up right about now, and our portion of entertainment here at Kamaʻāina Sunday is coming to a close. First of all, we'd like to extend our warmest mahalo to each and every one of you for coming out and supporting ʻIolani Palace and Kamaʻāina Sunday and all the festivities. Mahalo nui for all of that. Mahalo for sitting through our portion of entertainment, and we'd like to send a shout out to everybody who was nominated and was at the Nahoku Hanohano Awards last night, and specifically we'd like to send a big shout out to our brothers ʻElia, who took away 7 awards last night. Group of the Year among, I think it was 7, yeah. They won a lot, they were up there a lot. We leave you folks with this medley of songs, another classic done by the Kahauanu Lake Trio. Songs that basically say, "You're a lei that I want to wear forever," and we bid you folks, to all of you folks, we hope to see you again someday. A medley of 2 songs, Kuʻu Lei and Hoʻi Mai Malihini.
Hawaiian language group. ʻŌlauniu, everybody. Hana ho, hana ho.